Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotate screen on this device. Start by opening tab menu. Now locate auto rotate icon and tap on it. Auto rotation is now turned on. You can turn it off by clicking at the same icon, but you can also go into settings, choose display, click on advanced, and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If you wish to check out if it works, go into any app, like gallery, and turn your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!